Imagine you're building a machine, not just any machine, a machine of incredible delicacy and power. Such a machine requires parts crafted with utmost precision. Enter the micrometer screw gauge, an instrument of remarkable accuracy. It allows us to measure things even the sharpest eye struggles to see. We're talking about fractions of a millimeter, the difference between a working machine and a catastrophic failure. The micrometer screw gauge works on a simple principle: amplifying tiny distances. By rotating a screw with very fine threads, we move a measuring surface. Even a small rotation translates to a minute, measurable displacement. This allows us to determine the width of objects with incredible accuracy. It's like using a giant lever to move a mountain, except we're moving atoms. Before we embark on our journey of measurement, we must gather the necessary tools. Firstly, we require the star of the show, the micrometer screw gauge itself. Ensure it's clean and in good working order. A speck of dust can throw off our measurements by a significant margin. Secondly, we need the wire whose diameter we wish to measure. This could be copper, aluminum, or any other conductive material. The composition matters less than the precision we seek. Lastly, a clean workspace is crucial. A cluttered environment leads to distractions and potential errors. We strive for accuracy, and that begins with a clear mind and workspace. Now let's unveil the secrets of using this precision instrument. First, open the jaws of the micrometer gently by rotating the thimble. Place the wire between the anvil and spindle. Rotate the thimble until the wire is snugly held. Be careful not to over-tighten. Excessive force can deform the wire, giving us a false reading. With the wire secure, it's time to read our measurement. The micrometer has two scales, a main scale on the sleeve, and a thimble scale. The main scale gives us the measurement in millimeters. The thimble scale provides us with fractions of a millimeter. By adding the readings from both scales, we obtain the precise diameter of the wire. Precision demands diligence. Always take multiple readings at different points along the wire. This helps ensure our measurement isn't skewed by imperfections or variations in the wire's thickness. Record each reading meticulously. These numbers tell a story, the story of the wire's dimensions. Mastering the micrometer screw gauge opens a world of possibilities. It allows us to measure, understand, and build with incredible accuracy. Whether we're crafting the smallest components or unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos, precision is paramount. Remember, the universe rewards those who seek to comprehend its intricate details.